if you are trying to decide whether Azure or Amazon Web Services is the better cloud path for beginners, but you are confused about which one gives better career opportunities, easier learning, or stronger long-term value, this video will help you understand the decision clearly. These skills are commonly used across cloud teams, analytics environments, cybersecurity operations, automation workflows, and information technology infrastructure support roles, depending on the learning direction. In this video, I'll explain how this path works, who it is best suited for, what career options it leads to, and what beginners should realistically expect before choosing it. A lot of beginners get stuck on this decision because both platforms dominate the cloud industry, and both have huge demand in job markets. Online advice also creates confusion, because some people say Amazon Web Services has more market share, while others say Azure connects better with enterprise companies and Microsoft environments. Randomly choosing one without understanding your career direction can slow progress and waste learning time. What this topic really means is deciding which cloud ecosystem you should build your foundation around first. Both platforms teach similar cloud concepts like virtual machines, storage, networking, identity management, security, and cloud deployment. The difference is usually in ecosystem preference, interface style, and where companies use them most heavily. Amazon Web Services is often popular inside startups, large cloud, native companies, and highly scalable internet platforms. Azure is very common inside corporate environments, already using Microsoft products like Windows Server, Active Directory, Microsoft 365, and enterprise infrastructure systems. People choose this path because cloud computing now connects to many career directions, including cybersecurity, DevOps, cloud administration, automation, infrastructure engineering, and artificial intelligence services. One important question many learners ask at this stage is whether this path is strong enough on its own or whether it works better when combined with certifications or structured courses. Career directions related to this path can include cloud support specialist, cloud administrator, DevOps engineer, cloud security analyst. In a moment, I'll explain what kind of learners benefit the most from choosing this direction and who should probably consider an alternative path instead. Many beginners also explore structured beginner-friendly courses in this area to understand the roadmap more clearly before committing to a learning direction. If you prefer structured corporate environments and already work around Microsoft systems, Azure may feel easier and more natural to learn first. If you are more interested in large-scale internet infrastructure, startup environments, and broad cloud experimentation, Amazon Web Services may provide wider exposure initially. The difficulty level for both is manageable for beginners if you stay consistent. Most learners usually need around 2 to 4 months to become comfortable with basic cloud concepts and beginner labs. Most learners who move forward in this direction usually start with one structured certification or guided learning track to build confidence step by step. Structured learning is usually more effective than random tutorials because career skills develop faster when the learning order is clear and connected. Learners who dislike infrastructure concepts, troubleshooting, or continuous technical learning may struggle with cloud careers long-term because cloud technology changes constantly. This direction is especially useful for learners who want a structured starting point before choosing advanced certifications later. You can find some helpful beginner-friendly learning resources related to this path in the description if you want to explore how people usually get started, step by step. Take care and subscribe to keep learning. See you in another video.